Hey everyone, let's get started with the video. All you need to do is simply click on inventory. Once you are in the inventory, you will see a dot where your avatar is. Tap on that avatar. After clicking, you will come across a subscribe button. Below that, you will see a picture. Tap on that picture, and as soon as you do, your theme will be successfully changed. Your background will also update. Right now, the current background is from the ongoing style event, but you can choose any background or theme you like. Whatever you set will be visible to others as well. For now, I will keep mine as it is, but that's how easily you can change your lobby background on mobile. I hope this short video helped you understand how to change your lobby theme. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.